Hello friends, myself H.S. Pandey from JNV Prayagraj. Today in this lecture we will study more problems related to real numbers. Here it is part 4. Question is, so that one and only one out of n plus 4, n plus 8, n plus 12 and n plus 16 is divisible by 5 where n is any positive integer. So the solution of this much is, we know that any positive integer is of the form 5q plus 1, 5q plus 2, 5q plus 3, 5q plus 4. Here we have to take this expression with the help of, because we have to find the divisibility by 5. So we have to take the expression in the form 5q plus 1, 5q plus 2, 5q plus 3, 5q plus 4. If we compare with the Euclid's division lemma, here 5 is playing the role of b. So all possible remainder with respect to b is equal to 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for each remainder, all possible integers will be written as 5q, 5q plus 1, 5q plus 2, 5q plus 3 and 5q plus 4. Now case first, when n is equal to 5q, when n is equal to 5q, then a is equal to 5q. n is equal to 5q, here a is equal to 5q. So it is divisible by 5 and n plus 4, n plus 8, n plus 12, n plus 16 is not divisible by 5. यहां पर हम n अगर पहला लेते हैं 5q, so n is equal to 5q, then it is divisible by 5. But n plus 4 means 5q plus 4 is not divisible by 5. 5q plus 8 not divisible by 5. 5q plus 12 not divisible by 5. 5q plus 16 it is also not divisible by 5. Again, case second, when n is equal to 5q plus 1. In this case, n plus 4 is equal to 5q plus 1 plus 4. n plus 4 is equal to 5q plus 1 plus 4. That is equal to 5q plus 5. Now take 5 common, it is q plus 1. So in this case, n plus 4 is equal to 5q into q plus 1. So this way n plus 4 will be divisible by 5. But n and n plus 8, n plus 12, n plus 16 will not be divisible by 5. Because if we put n is equal to 5q plus 1, here 5q plus 1 not divisible by 5. 5q plus 1 plus 8 will give you 5q plus 9, that is not divisible by 5. 5q plus 1 plus 12 become 5q plus 13, that is also not divisible by 5. Here n plus 16, 5q plus 1 plus 16 means 5q plus 17, that is also not divisible by 5. Now in case third, when n is equal to 5q plus 2, when n is equal to 5q plus 2, in that case n plus 8, then n plus 8 is equal to 5q plus 2 plus 8, that is equal to 5q plus 10, that is equal to 5 common q plus 2. Here it is divisible by 8 is divisible by 5, but n plus 4, n plus 12 and n plus 16 not divisible by 5, because if we take n is equal to 5q plus 2, here n is equal to 5q plus 2 is not divisible by 5. n is equal to 5q plus 2, in this case n plus 4 is equal to 5q plus 2 plus 4, that become 5q plus 6, not divisible by 5. n plus 12 become n 5q plus 2 plus 12, that become 5q plus 14, that is not divisible by 5. And n plus 16, that is 5q plus 2 plus 16, that is 5q plus 18, that is also not divisible by 5. Next, case 4. Case 4, when n is equal to 5q plus 3, then n plus 12 is equal to 5q plus 3 plus 12, that is equal to 5q plus 15, that is equal to 5q plus 3. It is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 5, but n plus 4, n plus 16, n plus 4, n plus 16, n plus 8 नहीं है सर, n plus 8 and n plus 8 are not divisible by 5, because if we put n is equal to 5q plus 3, then this will not be divisible by 5. n is equal to 5q plus 3, then n plus 4 become 5q plus 3 plus 4, that is 5q plus 7 is not divisible by 5. n plus 16 become 5q plus 3 plus 16, so 5q plus 19, that is not divisible by 5. Now n plus 8 means 5q plus 3 plus 8, that is 5q plus 11 is also not divisible by 5. So in this case also there is only one, n plus 12, that is divisible by 5. Next, case 5, when n is equal to 5q plus 3, then when n is equal to 5q plus 4, then n plus 16 is equal to 5q plus 4 plus 16, that is equal to 5q plus 20, that is equal to 5 times q plus 4. It is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 5, but n plus 4, n plus 8, n plus 12 is not divisible by 5, is not divisible by 5. Thus we observe that out of n plus 4, n plus 8, n plus 12, n plus 16, only one is divisible by by 5. Test. Question number second. Prove that if x and y are both odd positive integer, then x square plus y square is even but not divisible by 4. यानी क्या हुआ कि अगर दो आठ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर हैं उनका स्क्वायर करके हम सम करें तो जो रिजल्ट आएगा दैट विल बी इवन but it will not be divisible by 4. Let us see the solution. We have to take two values. Let x is equal to 2q plus 1 and y is equal to 2q plus 3. So x square plus y square that is equal to 2q plus 1 whole square plus 2q plus 3 whole square. Now squaring this much, this is 4q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 4q square plus 2 3 is 6 2 is 12q plus 9. Now this is equal to 8q square plus 12 and 4 16q plus 10. Now the common factor of this much is 2. Take 2 out, that is 4q square plus 8q plus 5. Now the resulting value is a multiple of 2 but not 5. So it is not perfectly divisible by 4. Next question is, on a morning walk, 3 persons step up together and their steps measure 40 centimeter, 42 centimeter, 45 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that each can cover the same distance and complete steps? Here it is said that the minimum, it is asked that it is the minimum distance. So for minimum distance we have to find out LCM of the given distance. So solution of this much is, we have 40, 42, 45. The prime factorization of 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 42, 2 3 ja 6 7 ja 9. Now 5 prime factorization of 45, 3 3 ja 9 5 ja. Now the LCM of this much is LCM, that is equal to, here maximum times the 2 occurs in 3 times, that is 2 into 2 into 2. 3 comes 2 times maximum, so 3 2 times taken, 1 5 and then 1 7. Now 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 3 ja 72, 5 ja 360, 7 ja 2520 centimeter. Now it can be converted as 25.20 meter. This is the distance by when the 3 person will cover, then they meet once again. यहाँ पर इस सवाल के लिए पहला काम होगा कि यहाँ पर कहा गया मिनिमम डिस्टेंस. मिनिमम डिस्टेंस अगर ऐसे इस तरह के सवाल हुए हैं उसमें मिनिमम की बात की गई है, इसका मतलब है उसका एलसीएम निकालना है. तो हम पहले तीनों संख्याओं का एलसीएम निकालेंगे, आइदर बाय डिवीजन मेथड और बाय फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. बट फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड इज बेटर. हमने सबका फैक्टर किया, फैक्टर करने के बाद मैक्सिमम टाइप जो संख्याएं आई हैं सभी को हमने लेकर के गुणा किया और अंत में आया 2520 सेंटीमीटर and that is equal to 25.20 meter. That's it. In a seminar, the number of participants in Hindi, English and Mathematics are 60, 84 and 108 respectively. Find the minimum number of rooms required if each room has the same number of participants are to be seated and all of them being in the same subject. कहने का हुआ कि हर रूम में बराबर बच्चे हों और सेम सब्जेक्ट के हों तो कितने मिनिमम रूम लगेंगे, क्योंकि कहा गया है कि एक सेम नंबर, यहाँ पर सेम नंबर की बात की गई है, इट मीन्स कॉमन. So the solution of this much is, first of all, the number of students in each room will be the SCF of 60, 84 and 108. Now using factorization method, here 60 is equal to 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 5 ja is equal to 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12 into 7. Now the next thing is 108. 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 3 ja 36, 3 ja 108. Now SCF of this much, SCF that is equal to 1 2 common, 2 again, 1 2 again common, into 2 into 1 3 again common, that is equal to 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12. Now 12, here 12 is the number of students that can be accommodated in one class. Thus 12 students can sit in a single class. Now the total number of students, that is equal to 60 plus 84 plus 108. Now this is equal to 8 or 4, 12, 8, 6, 14, 115, 112. Now total number of students is 252. Now the number of rooms required, that is equal to 252 divided by 12. 12 1 ja 12 2 ja 24, 12 1 ja 12. That is equal to 21. Thus 21 is the number of rooms that is required to seat all the participants when equal number of participants are sitting in the single room. यहाँ पर पहला काम हम करेंगे, दी गई संख्याओं का एचसीएफ लेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पर कहा गया है सेम नंबर ऑफ सेम सब्जेक्ट, सेम नंबर हो और सेम सब्जेक्ट का हो, इसलिए वह कॉमन संख्या इन तीनों के एचसीएफ से आएगी. तीनों का एचसीएफ फैक्टराइजेशन करें, फैक्टराइजेशन के बाद एचसीएफ निकालें, आ जाएगा 12. 12 is the number of students that can be accommodated, that can be seated in a single room. Now the total number of students, that is 60 plus 84 plus 108, that is total 252. Now 12 can accommodate in single room. So the total number of rooms that is required, that is 252 upon 12, that is 21. It means 21 rooms are required to seat all the candidates. In this question, the length, breadth and height of a room are 8 meter 25 centimeter, 6 meter 75 centimeter and 4 meter 50 centimeter respectively. Determine the largest rod which can measure the 3 dimension of the room exactly. It is said that largest rod, length of largest rod means you have to find out the SCF of these numbers. So first of all we have to convert into a single unit, that is in centimeter. Length 8 meter 25 centimeter is equal to 825 centimeter. 6 meter 75 centimeter, that is equal to 675 centimeter. 4 meter 50 centimeter, that is equal to 450 centimeter. Now our aim is to find out the SCF of 825, 675 and 450. Now we can use by Euclid's division lemma. By using Euclid's division lemma we can find the SCF. Now 800 we have to find out SCF of 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter. First 825, that is equal to 675 into 1 plus 150. Now 675 is equal to 150 into 4 plus 75. Now 150 is equal to 75 into 2 plus 0. Therefore SCF is equal to 75. Now again we have to find out the SCF of 75 and 450. Again 450 is equal to 75 into 6 plus 0. So therefore SCF of above three numbers that is equal to 75. Therefore 75 centimeter, the length of longest rod. Therefore the length of longest rod that measure the three dimension, that is equal to 75 centimeter. This is required solution. यहाँ पर हमारा टारगेट है कि कह रहा है कि हमें ये पता लगाना है कि वह कौन सी बड़ी राड होगी जिससे हम इन तीनों डायमेंशन को आसानी से नाप सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पर हम पहले क्या करेंगे, मीटर और सेंटीमीटर को सबको सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे। इसके बाद तीनों जो माप है उसको जो है एससीएफ निकालेंगे। एससीएफ कैसे निकालेंगे, सबसे बड़ी दोनों संख्याओं का पहले यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा से हल करेंगे, दोनों से एससीएफ 75 आ, फिर 75 और 450 का एससीएफ निकालेंगे। हम देखेंगे कि उसका भी एससीएफ 75 है, इसलिए 75 जो है सेंटीमीटर वह लॉन्गेस्ट रॉड की लंबाई होगी जिससे हम तीनों डायमेंशन को आसानी से माप सकते हैं। Can two numbers have 18 as their SCF and 380 as their LCM? Give reason. Solution: 18 SCF. SCF is equal to 18. LCM is equal to 380. Now 18 is equal to 2 3 जा 6 3 जा 18 and 380 is equal to 2 2 जा 4 3 जा 20 into 19 जा. Now if we observe, then here 18 is the common factor in both the numbers. The common factor must include in the LCM. अगर 18 या CF है तो ये 18 जो है उसके जो फैक्टर हैं वो एलसीएम में भी आने चाहिए। यहाँ पर 18 और 380 में 2 तो है लेकिन 3 दोनों नहीं है। इसका मतलब हुआ कि जो ये एलसीएम लिखा गया है यह एलसीएम उस संख्या का नहीं है, क्योंकि जितने एचसीएफ में जो संख्याएं हैं वह एलसीएम में आना अनिवार्य है। अतः हम कह सकते हैं कि ये 18 और 380 ये दोनों जो है एचसीएफ, एक एचसीएफ और दूसरा एलसीएम, वह दो दी गई संख्याओं के नहीं हैं, ये अलग अलग संख्याओं के हैं। सो दैट द स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर कैन नॉट बी of the form 5q plus 2 or 5q plus 3 for any integer q. Solution: let x be any integer if x is divided by 5, then all possible remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So x can be written in the form of, so x can be written in the form of 5m, 5m plus 1, 5m plus 2, 5m plus 3 and 5m plus 4. Case first, when x is equal to 5m, then x square that is equal to 5m whole square, that is equal to 25m, and that is equal to 5 into m square, that is equal to 5 into 5m square, that is equal to 5q. Now case second, when x is equal to 5m plus 1, then x square is equal to 5m plus 1 whole square, that is equal to 5 5 is 25m square plus 5 2 is 10m plus 1. That can be written as, this is equal to 5 into 5m square plus 2m plus 1. Now this can be represented as, this is equal to 5q plus 1. This is a one integer that can be replaced by a q. So it can be written in the form of 5q plus 1. Now case third, when x is equal to 5m plus 2, then x square is equal to 5m plus 2 whole square, that is equal to 5 5 is 25m square plus 5 2 is 10 2 is 20m plus 4. 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, 2 is 20m plus 4. This is equal to 5 into 5m square plus 4m plus 4. Now this is equal to 5q plus 4. Again case 4, this one is 4. When x is equal to 5m plus 3, then x square is equal to 5m plus 3 whole square, that is equal to 5 5 is 25m square plus 5 3 is 15 2 is 30m plus 3 3 is 9. That is equal to 5 25m square plus 30m plus 5 plus 4. This is equal to 5m square plus 6n plus 1 plus 4. This is equal to 5. This whole is taken as single cube plus 4. Now the case fifth, when x is equal to 5m plus 4, then x square is equal to 5m plus 4 whole square. That is equal to 5 5 ja 25m square plus 5 4 ja 20 2 ja 40m plus 16. That is equal to 25m square plus 40m plus 50 plus 1. Now take 5 as common. 5m square plus 8m plus 3 plus 1. Now this can be written as 5q plus 1. Now if we observe, we will find that here if x is equal to 5m, then x square is equal to in the form equal to 5q. When we take x is equal to 5m plus 1, the square of this much will be of the form 5q plus 1. Again, if we take x is equal to 5m plus 2, then the square of this much is of the form 5q plus 4. If we take x is equal to 5m plus 3, then we will observe that it is of the form equal to 5q plus 4. Again, when x is equal to 5m plus 4, then x square is equal to of the form 5q plus 1. So there is no such any of the form 5q plus 2 or 5q plus 3. हमारे कहने का मतलब हुआ अगर हम 5 से डिविजिबल कोई लेते हैं तो देखते हैं कि उसके 5 से डिविजिबल अगर कोई संख्या है उसके लिए आर पास वो रिमाइंडर होगा 0 1 2 3 4. इफ वी टेक d as 5, d का मान 5 लें तो यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा से हम इसको लिख सकते हैं कि 5m 5m plus 1 5m plus 2 5m plus 3 5m plus 4. क्रम से सबको स्क्वायर करके हम अगर ऑब्जर्व करें तो हम पाएंगे कि यह या तो 5q के पार में है या 5q plus 1 के पार में है या 5q plus 4 के पार में है या 5q plus 4 के पार में यहाँ है या 5q plus 1 के पार में है. इसमें 5q plus 2 और 5q plus 3 का कोई पार नहीं है. इसलिए स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी पॉसिबल इंटीजर दैट कैन नॉट बी ऑफ द पार 5q plus 2 और 5q plus 3.